Hello everyone, I'm LaShawn, and in this video I will walk you through a technical and operational breakdown of my Wayfair competitor monitoring AI agent. The main purpose of this agentic workflow is to automate market benchmarking across three big retailers to identify white space opportunities. In this demo, I'll be comparing Wayfair against Amazon and Walmart. I included a little summary of what the sample input is, the URLs for reference for the competitor monitoring benchmarks. Let's take a look at our canvas. As you can see on the screen, I have 6 distinct stages. We begin with the input stage. This workflow is an end-to-end intelligence pipeline designed to benchmark Wayfair against retail giants. Our track trigger receives raw URLs, which are then standardized by a custom JavaScript input parser to ensure the correct data flows to the correct retailer paths. In this stage, we have 2 nodes, a track trigger and an input parser. The goal of this stage is to standardize diverse URL types for Amazon, Walmart, and Wayfair for the downstream scrapers. We have an input, which will be our raw user provided product or collection URLs, and the output for this stage is going to be a structured JSON containing validated URL and category metadata. In stage 2, we establish our baseline. We scrape Wayfair's current listing for the target category. In this example, we're doing rugs to extract pricing, materials, and features. This serves as our home base for all subsequent comparisons. In this stage, we have our nodes for HTTP request and Wayfair Scraper, which uses Cheerio to parse HTML to generate and output clean JSON. Our goal is to establish a baseline of internal performance and product attributes. Our input is going to be a Wayfair category, a product URL, and our output, as I said, is going to be a structured data set of Wayfair's current market positioning. Stage 3 handles Amazon through a dual path setup. One path performs a deep dive scrape of specific product specs, while the second path analyzes broader collection URLs to capture high-level market trends and bestseller signals. In this stage, we have dual path HTTP request, Amazon scrapers, and we end with merge nodes that combine both paths together. The goal of this stage is to execute a two-pronged data collection, which creates a granular product spec versus macro category trends. The input is going to be the URLs for Amazon product and the collection URLs. Our output is going to be a unified Amazon intelligence profile. Finally, we hit Walmart in stage 4. The agent navigates Walmart's specific data structure to grab live pricing and availability, completing our 3-pillar competitive data set. In this stage, we have a HTTP request, which goes through the Walmart URLs to scrape using regex. Our goal is to identify budget tier competition and pricing strategies. The input is going to be Walmart product or search results URL, and our output is going to be a structured JSON of Walmart's competitive product data. So now that we've done the parsing, we'll reach stage 5, the multimodal AI synthesis. This is where all the raw data is fed into our LLMs. We're using Gemini 2.0 and Mistral, and they're going to perform cross-retailer reasoning. And the goal of this stage is to transform raw data into strategic insights such as pricing gaps, supplier commonalities, So our input in this stage is going to be the merger of all of the data that was scraped from Amazon, Walmart, and Wayfair. Our output is going to be analytical fragments for price and heat map and white space identification. The workflow concludes with a professional HTML report based on the identified white space. My technical recommendations for Wayfair is to launch a premium washable collection, bridging the gap between high-end design and the utility feature currently driving competitive volume. So as you can see, we have a report that's generated, and with this report, we're able to plan either marketing campaigns, next product segments, or make improvements to current product segments. And this concludes the demo. To be clear, this is a simulated project developed for the Wayfair AI Agent Engineering Program. While it uses public data and doesn't connect to Wayfair's internal systems, it demonstrates the power of hardware-aware AI and agentic workflows in a technical product environment. This agent turns hours of manual scrolling into 3-minute intelligence loops. If you're interested in the technical architecture, check out the GitHub link in the description. Thank you for watching.